Round number 12. We continue doing the raising loop in the beginning of the round, and into the top of the rhomb we should try to take all of 3 loops of the previous cluster and make the front post single crochet. 2 loops, and according to the rhomb, the same absolutely structure. In the first one we make 2 front post double crochet, and into the last one in the middle there will be 3 front post double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Let's make them together. 1, 2, and 3. Into the last one, 2 pieces. We expand the sides. 1, 2, 1, 2, and between the rhombs 2 loops here, and again we make the same to the other rhomb. 2 pieces into the first. 1, 2, 3 pieces. 1, 2, and 3, and 2 pieces into the last one. 1, 2, 2 loops, and into the top of the rhomb again front post single crochet, just simple single crochet like this, and 2 loops, and we continue the same way till the end. See you soon.